In today's video, I'm going to show you how to qualify for the upcoming Sonic Airdrop completely for free. Fantom, which is already a multi-billion-dollar crypto, is rebranding to Sonic and launching a new chain. As part of the launch, they've already announced that they're airdropping over $100 million of tokens to early users and contributors. And one of the ways you can qualify is by using their testnet today for free without putting any money down up front. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Welcome back to Dynamo DeFi. My name is Patrick, and for more videos like this on how to make money with crypto, airdrops, and DeFi, be sure to like this one and subscribe. Now let's get into it. To start, what exactly is Sonic and why should you care about it in the first place? Well, Sonic is not actually a new chain, even though they're doing an airdrop. Sonic is an already existing chain and token known as Fantom. That's Fantom with the FTM token, and it's currently the 54th largest crypto with a market cap of around $2 billion. All right, then, so you're probably asking, well, how are they doing an airdrop and what is the relation between Fantom and Sonic? Fantom is actually rebranding to Sonic in the near future, and they are launching a new high throughput EVM, that's Ethereum Virtual Machine, compatible layer 1. And this promises to be an extremely fast chain with confirmation times of around 1 second, transaction speeds of 10,000 transactions per second, and an average cost of under 1 cent, all while being Ethereum compatible. So you have all of these apps from Ethereum that are already slated to launch versions on Sonic when it goes live. And what's interesting is that as part of that launch, to incentivize people to contribute, to use the chain and to test out their testnet ahead of time, they've already announced that they're doing a massive airdrop. In fact, the airdrop currently at the current Fantom prices is going to be $131.5 million because they're giving out nearly 200 million S tokens. So pretty cool because you can qualify for this for free. We'll talk about how in a minute. And you already know that it's going to be valuable because it's a token that's already live, liquid, and tradable, and you know how many they're giving out. And if that sounds interesting, let's talk about how you can actually qualify for the airdrop yourself. To start, you'll want to go to airdrop.soniclabs.com. This is the dashboard where you'll sign up for and keep track of your airdrop. And you'll keep track of your airdrop using these points that you earn. First thing you'll need to do is connect your wallet. And Sonic recommends you use the Rabby wallet. However, for this demonstration, I'm going to use Metamask for the reason that it's more common and that it has some important troubleshooting that you'll have to do. So I want to be able to show how to correct those errors. But you can really use any Ethereum compatible wallet. And again, they recommend Rabby. But we'll use MetaMask. And I'm using a test account here. As you can see, we will confirm the sign up. And the next thing that it will prompt you to do is to add the Sonic testnet to your wallet. And you may get some errors or warnings here. That's totally fine. It's just because it's a new network, and probably in the near future, those warnings will actually disappear. So I'm going to approve this anyways, and it's going to prompt me to switch my network to Sonic testnet, which I'm going to go ahead and do right now. Now, the next thing you'll be prompted to do is to input an invite code. If you need one, you can use mine, which is 8IFATE. The referral code will be validated, and then you'll be prompted to join the airdrop dashboard. Click on the sign button, again, confirm the transaction, and it should just take a second to sign you in. Once you've successfully connected your wallet and input a referral code, you'll see this dashboard that shows you all of your points. And when I'm making this video, it's a new campaign, so currently we're in phase 1, and here you earn points through something known as the Sonic Arcade. So it will say arcade points, and you can see your total points, your base points, and your referral rewards. To get started, I'm going to click on the Sonic Arcade to start playing some mini games that allow you to earn points. Once you get to the Sonic Arcade, it'll look like this. And here you'll see 3 steps, pretty straightforward, that you have to do in order to start earning your airdrop. First step, we've already done. That's to add the Sonic testnet to your Web3 wallet. We did that when we were signing up for the airdrop dashboard. Second step is to get some tokens from their free faucet. These are tokens on their testnet, and the token we need has the ticker of token. You can request up to 420 of them per week, and then you can play each game up to 20 times per day to earn points for the S airdrop. And there's 3 games right now. There's Plinko, there are Mines, and there is Wheel, which is like a roulette style game. And these are all built using the GambleFi platform Winner. And all of these are basically gambling games. I will say, I played all 3 for a while and I got almost no points, which there is certainly some strategy if you were to map out the probabilities for each game. But it's also a lot of luck. All right, so now we're ready to get started. The next thing we'll need to do is acquire some tokens from the Faucet. First, to make it easier, connect your wallet to the site. And again, you'll need to make sure you use the same wallet that you used to connect to the Sonic Airdrop dashboard earlier. So in this case, I'm going to use the MetaMask that I used to connect earlier. Once that's connected, click on the Faucet button to open up the Sonic Testnet Faucet. And here you'll have to sign in with your X account, and this just provides some layer of Sybil resistance to keep people from spamming this with too many accounts. Also note that it seems to me that they have some sort of restrictions on how many times you can do it from the same IP, because I had to make this tutorial on a separate internet connection than I did my original wallet. So we're going to sign in with X. I'm going to authorize it through my Dynamo DeFi account, and you'll know that you connected to Twitter successfully because now I see that it's verified as Dynamo DeFi on the Faucet. So the next thing I'm going to do is go back to the arcade, and you see how I'm connected here, and I have my smart wallet and my connected wallet. What I need is to copy this address for the smart wallet, not the connected wallet. If you copy your MetaMask address, then it won't work. So I'm pasting in the smart wallet, and I have to choose between getting 0.05 S or 420 tokens. S is the Sonic Testnet gas token for transaction fees. Token is what you need to participate in the Sonic Arcade. And the reason why you would get S would be if you deposited token to the wrong address from the Faucet. You could get this to give you some transaction fees to transfer it to the correct wallet. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to get the tokens into this wallet. And you see here the little notification that the Faucet successfully dripped. Now, if I go back to Sonic Arcade, you can see that the 420 tokens have appeared here in my wallet. And again, there's 3 games. There's Plinko, there's Mines, and there's Wheel. And I'll show you how to use this really quickly, because if you're using MetaMask, you may have to troubleshoot here. In fact, you likely will. So this is Plinko. You've probably experienced Plinko in your life at some point. You click on play, it's going to drop 1 up to 10 balls, and they're going to either go left or right, and you get more points if they hit a higher number. And of course, they are less likely to hit numbers on the edges because they have to go either all left or all to the right in a row. They're most likely to land in the center. And unfortunately, the center, very center, is 0. And you can increase the number of rows, and if you do, the rewards get higher for going further out. However, the rewards get worse in the middle where there's more zeros. All right, so to demonstrate, let's do 3 balls and 10 rows. And I'm sure that you could figure out the optimal probability of this. I'm just going to demonstrate it with something somewhat arbitrary. And I'm going to click on play. And again, I'm using MetaMask, so I'm going to encounter an error. And if you're using MetaMask, you are probably going to encounter an error too. Fortunately, it's easy to fix. The way you do that is open up your MetaMask, click on these 3 dots at the top, go to settings, go to experimental, and then turn off improved signature requests. Turn that off. Now I'm going to try to play again. And now it works. I can sign the transaction. And here we have the balls dropping down. And we can see I actually earned some arcade points for this. So my balance went up. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to find airdrops and DeFi opportunities like this, I have a newsletter that goes out to 20,000 people every week with an airdrop of the week or a DeFi farm of the week, as well as readings, as well as on-chain analysis and more to help you make money in crypto. Comment down below if you're going to qualify for the Sonic Airdrop. And if you want more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Dynamo DeFi.